The Moon is the only natural satellite of our planet and the fifth most largest satellite in our solar system. It is the largest satellite in comparison with the size of its major planet. It holds a significant relationship with Earth. Without the Moon, our daily lives as humans would change badly. In this video, let's see what would happen if Moon disappears all of a sudden. The first and most obvious change would be during the night time. Nights would be incredibly darker as the Moon provides light to Earth during the night time by reflecting the sunlight. Scientists suggest that without artificial lightning and Moon at night, we wouldn't be able to see hands in front of our face. However, not only the nights but our days would also change. According to Newton's law of gravity, every particle attracts every other particle in the universe with a force directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Considering Moon and Earth, they exert attractive pulling force between each other and it is around 200 quintillion Newton. Pulling force on Earth slows down the Earth's rotation about its axis. Suddenly, without the Moon, Earth's spinning would be faster. Because of this faster spin, our days may last between 6 to 12 hours rather than the 24 hours what we experience right now. If our days become this short, then we would have significantly more days in a calendar year. Instead of 365 days in a year, we would have over 1000 days. The Moon's gravity causes the ocean on a planet to rise and fall. Since the Moon affects the altitude and movement of Earth's water, our ocean tides would shrink. High tide occurs where the ocean bulges towards the Moon or where the Moon pulls the ocean towards it. Earth is also attracted by the Moon and moves towards it. So, on the opposite side of our planet, the ocean bulges away from the Moon, creating another high tide. The low tides occur either side of the bulges. This high tide is always oriented towards the Moon. During full moon and new moon day, this effect of Moon is get added to the effect of Sun. So there will be heavy tides on those days. We will see more about the wave and tide in the upcoming episode of the Truth series. Scientists suggest that without the Moon, the tides would be 1/3 of the size right now. High tides would be much smaller than they are right now and low tides would be even lower. This is because the Sun would be influencing the tides, not the Moon. Because the Sun has a weaker pull, the tides would decrease. Additionally, we may see a change in seasons. The Moon affects the angle of Earth's tilt. Currently, the Earth tilts about 23.4 degrees. This tilt creates seasons and changing weather. Without the pull of the Moon, this tilt would change. Either the tilt would become extreme, leading to extremes and severe seasons, or the tilt would decrease and we would never see a season at all. The change in Earth's rotational speed and tilt would affect the Earth's weather patterns. If the Moon slows down the Earth's rotation, then the Moon also affects the wind speeds. Without the Moon, we would see an increase in wind speeds. Winds would become much faster and stronger without the Moon. The one last thing what we will face is the eclipse. Eclipses would be no more. Eclipses require 3 objects to be aligned. That is the Sun, a planet and a planet's moon. Without a moon, there is no solar or lunar eclipse.